Today, we'll be taking a look at the door switch on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first lift this top panel here. It can be a little frustrating, but what you'll need is a putty knife, and on the corners they put a little kind of small triangular locking tab that you have to press in with the putty knife and lift up. But there's not a lot of room to see exactly where it's at. So I'm going to use just the corner because the full blade will not be able to hit it. Go just the corner, and I want you to go about an inch in, press in, and start to lift up. You should feel it bending, and then we can see right there where it's at. Once you get one side up, it's a little easier to see the second side, but like I said, usually about an inch in, maybe inch and a half. You'll press in, lift up on the top, and then let it rest against a wall or a platform. Next, we'll go ahead and remove the front panel here. And in order to do that, we'll open up the door. We have 4 Phillips screws inside that'll need to be taken out. Let's set those to the side here. Now, next, I'm going to close the door. We have 2 screws on the top that'll need to be removed. Let's start with this one. Now, normally, these have a small kind of bent piece of metal that holds the front up. This one's a little jacked up, so I'm going to have to put my knee on it because this is bent up here while I remove that next screw. I'll prevent it from falling. So that side just falls right forward. And then we'll have to disconnect the door switch right here. Be very careful, pull it out, lift up on the front panel, and set it to the side. Now that we have the front panel removed, we have clear access to the door switch. Now the main reason why you'd be accessing your door switch is if the unit is saying that the door is open. Of course, we'll put something to prop this door open, and your switch is located right here. When the door closes, it will actuate and tell it that the door is closed. Now, a lot of times you'll see this is broken off. You may press it, it will not make any noise. More than likely will need to be replaced. In order to replace it, on the back here, we have 2 kind of little tabs. What I want you to do is push forward a little bit toward the bigger tab to get the back end in, and slightly start to bend in the others, and move it forward. Swing it out and set it to the side. When installing your new door switch, if you remember correctly, the L portion is going to be going toward this outside wall. So we will slide it in, flatten it out, press it in. Now we can reinstall the front panel. When reinstalling the front, since the metal's bent, I'm going to go ahead and bring my drill on over with the screw on it. And then when I reattach the front base, has holes on the bottom of this front panel. You'll see those little pegs on the bottom of the frame. So I'm going to lift up, put the pegs inside the hole, push forward. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the door switch while I'm here. Keep my knee on it and reinstall this screw. I have to flex this a little bit. Let's reinstall this one. Get these 4 reinstalled. And these ones look a little bit different than the others. It's almost like a darker gray. All right, let's close the door. Let's go ahead and pop down that top. To reinstall the top, very simple. Just bring it down, try not to cut yourself. Line it up, press down, boom. There you go, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.